So as you can see, like all the dirt coming down, it's like a river of dirt coming off this unit. Go with the sections, try to get all the dirt off. Washing this coil out multiple times. That's what makes a big difference in these coil cleaners. You can see the big difference between just being rinsed down and sprayed with some coil cleaner. It's a lot more dirt coming down. It's a whole different color now. This is another dirty one I sprayed with some coil cleaner. See how it looks. See all the dirt coming out? It's pretty nice.